Thank you so much for joining this course. You've just taken the first step toward building something that can truly change your life. And trust me, you will never regret this decision. Let me take you back to where my journey started. I had no expensive setup, no professional camera, no big team, and honestly, no one to guide me. But I had one thing: belief. And one small character idea in my heart. A curly-haired toddler named Goldie. With just my phone and creativity, I started creating one story every single day. No fancy tools, just emotions, consistency, and patience. Some days my videos barely got views. Some days nobody reacted at all. There were moments when I wanted to stop everything. But I didn't quit. I kept creating, kept learning, and kept believing in Goldie. And then one day, everything changed. One video started going viral, then another, and another. Suddenly, people around the world started loving Goldie. Success always leaves clues. You can see it yourself today. Fan pages started appearing, reposts everywhere, even fake accounts using Goldie's name. That's when I realized this little idea had become something much bigger. This course is not just another tutorial. It's a complete blueprint. A step-by-step system showing you how to go from zero to building a successful AI content brand. Every lesson, every mistake, every trick, every strategy I learned, I'm sharing all of it with you here. No secrets hidden. And here's the truth. If you stay focused for just 3 months, your life can start changing too. If it takes 6 months, that's okay. Just don't stop halfway. Because consistency will always beat talent when talent gives up. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need perfect conditions. All you need is one powerful idea and the courage to show up every single day. Goldie is proof of that. This is Module 0, the journey of Goldie, from a simple idea to a growing global audience. Now it's your turn to build your story. Let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to our journey. This is not just a Facebook page story. This is the story of how AI content changed a simple idea into a growing digital brand. This page, The Goldie and the Doggy, started with a simple goal to create emotional, cute, entertaining, and viral AI videos that people genuinely enjoy watching. And today, this page has already crossed more than 138,000 followers. Yes, all of this growth came mainly through AI-generated content. In this course, we will show you step by step how pages like this grow fast, how they become eligible for monetization, and how creators are earning real money online from Facebook. Before starting monetization, you first need to understand Facebook's content monetization criteria. As you can see in the dashboard, to become eligible for Facebook content monetization waitlist, a page must meet several important conditions. First, you must be at least 18 years old. Second, your country must support Facebook monetization. Third, your page should be at least 30 days old. Fourth, you need to post at least 3 reels in the last 90 days. These first requirements are actually easy to complete if you stay consistent. But the biggest challenge comes from the next 2 conditions. You need at least 10,000 followers and at least 150,000 unique views within the last 28 days. And this is exactly where AI content becomes powerful. With the right strategy, AI videos can grow faster than traditional content. Cute animal stories, emotional videos, funny moments, cinematic AI reels, these types of content have huge viral potential on Facebook. The Goldie and the Doggy page used funny storytelling of a small boy named Goldie and a dog named Doggy, which used AI visuals, consistency, and smart reel posting strategy to grow rapidly. No expensive camera, no big production team, no studio setup, just creativity, consistency, and AI tools. In this course, we will cover everything step by step. How to create viral AI videos, how to generate emotional AI characters, how to make cinematic reels, how to use AI voiceovers, how to edit videos professionally, how to increase reach and engagement, how to grow followers faster, and finally, how to become eligible for monetization and start earning online. Many creators are already earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars monthly from Facebook Reels monetization. Your earnings mainly depend on your audience country, watch time, engagement, content quality, and consistency. The earlier you start learning AI content creation, the bigger advantage you will have in the future. Remember this, big pages are not built in one day. Every viral creator once started with 0 followers, 0 views, and 0 earnings. But they kept posting, they kept learning, and eventually their content changed everything. So, in this journey, we will build, grow, and monetize AI content together. Welcome to the world of AI content creation. Welcome to the Goldie and the Doggy journey. Let's begin the first step. Now, let's officially start our AI content journey. Before creating videos, before monetization, before earning money, we first need one very important thing: a strong content niche. A niche means what type of content you will create and upload consistently. This is very important because Facebook's algorithm loves pages that focus on one content category. If today you upload funny animal videos, tomorrow gaming, next day motivation, your audience gets confused. But when your content style stays similar, Facebook starts understanding your page better and your reels can grow much faster. Now the best part is, with AI, there are unlimited niche ideas. For example, cute conversation videos between mummy and child, like the style used in our page.
Goldie, what are you doing?
School.
School?
Yeah, Doggy's teacher.
What is he teaching?
Snacks.
Snacks?
Yeah, lesson 1.
What's lesson 1?
Always eat first. He said homework is cookies.
Emotional family moments, cute storytelling, funny baby conversations. These perform extremely well on Facebook. Another great niche is funny stage conversation videos. A host asking funny questions, people giving unexpected answers, crowd laughing. These types of reels can go viral very quickly. You can also create funny animal action content. Dogs acting like humans, cats doing funny things, animals talking with AI voices. People love this type of content. Another viral category is wild animal moments. Lion moments, jungle survival scenes, cinematic wildlife storytelling. AI can create these beautifully. You can even create DIY and craft videos, life hacks, satisfying art videos, miniature creations, home decoration ideas, all generated using AI tools. And honestly, this is just the beginning. Anything you can imagine, AI can help you create. Now, after choosing your niche, the next step is creating your Facebook page. And don't worry, page creation is completely normal. Nothing special is required. You can simply create a Facebook page using your personal Facebook profile. Just click Create Page, choose a category, add your page details, and your page is ready. Now, many beginners make one mistake. They think they need expensive paid AI tools. But honestly, you can start completely free. In the beginning, our goal is not spending money. Our goal is learning, experimenting, and growing. And in the next modules, we will explore the best free AI tools one by one. You do not need a high-end setup. You do not need expensive software. You only need a smartphone, internet connection, consistency, and creativity. Remember, many successful AI pages started from zero. No team, no budget, no experience. But they started. That's what matters most. So now, choose your niche carefully, create your Facebook page, build your branding, and get ready for the next step. Now comes the most exciting part of this journey, creating actual AI videos. In this module, we will learn the complete process of making viral AI videos completely step by step. No advanced editing skills, no expensive setup, just smart AI workflow. Before, many creators used free Sora-based platforms for ultra-realistic AI videos. Those videos looked incredibly cinematic and realistic, which made them perfect for Facebook Reels. But over time, currently Sora is officially shut down. So currently, one of the best free alternatives for beginners is Cdance 2.0 through Dola AI. Officially, Cdance 2.0 is a paid AI model on its official platforms. But thankfully, we can use its API through an app called Dola AI, and that's exactly what we'll use in this course. First, go to Play Store or App Store and install Dola AI. The download links for both Android and iPhone will be provided in the description box or README file. Now, after installing Dola AI, we need the most important thing for AI video generation, a powerful prompt. For writing prompts, we will use Google Gemini. Because many non-pro ChatGPT users have daily message limits, Gemini becomes a very good free alternative for prompt writing. Now the workflow is very simple. First, think about a video idea. For example, a funny baby conversation, a dog acting like a human, an emotional mother-child moment, a wild animal scene, or any creative idea related to your niche. Then, you simply explain your idea to Gemini in your own language. Even broken English is completely okay. You do not need perfect English. You only need a clear idea. Then, Gemini will convert your idea into a professional cinematic 10-second AI video prompt. This makes the process much easier for beginners. Now, at the beginning, many people struggle to write prompts themselves. But don't worry, we have an easier method too. According to your niche, visit other successful Facebook pages. Download a video you like, then upload that video to Gemini and simply ask, "Analyze this video and give me a cinematic AI video generation prompt." Gemini will automatically generate a similar style prompt for you. Then, copy that prompt and paste it into Dola AI. Inside Dola AI, each generation takes around 2 points, and with one account, you can generate approximately 3 videos per day for free. Need more videos? Simply log in using another Gmail account. This is how many beginners create large amounts of AI content completely free. Another very important thing, prompt practice. At first, you may need detailed prompts, but once you write 2 or 3 prompts, Gemini starts understanding your preferred style automatically. After that, you only need to provide the main concept or simple idea, and Gemini will generate powerful prompts for your niche very quickly. This also helps maintain consistency in your content style, and consistency is extremely important for Facebook growth. Currently, Dola AI generates around 10-second videos, and honestly, that is already enough for Facebook Reel monetization growth. But later, after your page becomes monetized, we will start uploading longer videos for higher earnings. There are multiple ways to make videos longer. For example, combining 2 AI clips together, adding continuation scenes, or slightly decreasing video speed like 0.1x to make the reel around 11 or 12 seconds longer. Longer watch time can help improve RPM and overall monetization performance. And don't worry, in the next module, we will fully discuss video editing, upload techniques, hook strategy, captions, music, and Facebook Reel optimization. Remember, AI tools are only tools. The real power comes from creativity and consistency. The more videos you create, the better your ideas become, the better your prompts become, and eventually, your content quality becomes professional. So now, install Dola AI, start experimenting with prompts, and begin creating your first AI videos. Because this is where your AI content journey truly begins. Now that we have successfully created our AI videos, it's time for the next important step, editing the video properly and uploading it to Facebook in the right way. Because even a good AI video may fail if the editing and upload process is poor. So let's start from the beginning. First, download the generated video from Dola AI. Then open CapCut and upload your video there. Now one important thing you'll notice is the Dola AI watermark. We do not want that watermark inside our final reel. So we simply crop the video slightly while maintaining the vertical 9:16 reel ratio. Now after cropping, the next step is making the reel more engaging. We add captions. Captions are extremely important because many Facebook users watch reels without sound. Captions increase watch time, engagement, and audience retention. After adding captions, we can apply a suitable CapCut template or simple effects. Do not over-edit. Keep the reel clean, smooth, and easy to watch. Now here comes a very important trick. We slightly reduce the video speed. For example, 0.9x or 0.8x speed. Video slightly longer improves watch duration and can help increase retention performance. After editing is complete, export the video in high quality, preferably 1080 by 1920 resolution for Facebook Reels. Now it's time to upload the reel to Facebook. Go to your Facebook page, click Create Reel and upload your edited video. But uploading alone is not enough. Your title, caption, and hashtags are extremely important. For this, we will again use Google Gemini. Simply upload your video to Gemini and ask, "Give me a trending Facebook Reel title, caption, and hashtags for this video." Gemini will automatically generate optimized captions and hashtags related to your content niche. Then, copy the caption and hashtags and paste them into your Facebook Reel upload. Now after uploading, Facebook's algorithm starts testing your reel. At first, the reel may be shown to a small audience from different countries. Then, Facebook analyzes watch time, engagement, shares, comments, and audience behavior. If people continue watching the reel, especially audiences from high-value countries like the United States, the algorithm slowly starts pushing your video to more viewers. And this is how videos slowly start going viral. The more engaging your content becomes, the more reach Facebook gives your page. More reach means more followers, more views, and eventually monetization opportunities. And this is one of the main ways creators earn money through Facebook content monetization. By creating engaging reels, growing audience retention, and consistently uploading viral content. Remember, viral growth usually does not happen instantly. Some reels may get few views. Some reels may suddenly explode. Consistency is the real secret. The more quality reels you upload, the higher your chances of viral growth. So now, edit your videos professionally, optimize them correctly, and upload consistently to Facebook. Because your next reel might be the one that changes everything.